Good morning, students. This week we're going to be reading and discussing the book Discovering Wes Moore, and we have an adjusted schedule for this week, and I'm going to take a moment and walk you through it. If you are in my first or third period class, so if you are a farmer or a volt, then we won't have class until Thursday of this week. So we'll have class Thursday morning like we normally would, and then we'll have class on Thursday afternoon also. And then our second class of the week is actually going to be on Friday in the afternoon. And so if you are looking at this week's work and you select the Read First week of 11821, you'll notice that in the Friday afternoon section that it has that we're going to be meeting then. So where it would normally be your fourth, fifth, or sixth period class, it'll actually be your first, second, or third period class. And we'll run through that in class also to make sure. If you are in my fourth, fifth, or sixth period class, so if you are a major, delver, or emboldener, your class is pretty much the same. We'll have class on Tuesday morning, and then we'll have class on Friday morning. We'll also gather Tuesday afternoon, but what's different is we will not gather on Friday afternoon because instead, this Friday afternoon, you'll have your first, second, and third period class. That's it. Have a wonderful week. I look forward to working with you.